Everyone! Today I'm showing you how to transfer WhatsApp messages from your old Android to a new Android phone. First, open WhatsApp on your old Android device. Then, tap on the three dots in the top right corner and select Settings. After that, tap on Chats and then tap on Chat Backup. Now, tap on Backup to create a fresh backup of all your messages, media, and chat history to Google Drive. Furthermore, make sure you're signed in with the same Google account that you'll use on your new phone. And then, once the backup is complete, take your new Android device and install WhatsApp from the Google Play Store. Additionally, open WhatsApp and verify your phone number using the same number from your old device. After verification, WhatsApp will automatically detect your backup from Google Drive. Now tap on Restore to transfer all your chats, photos, and videos to your new phone. Furthermore, wait for the restoration process to complete. This may take a few minutes depending on your backup size. And that's it. Transferring WhatsApp messages between Android devices is seamless with Google Drive Backup and ensures you don't lose any important conversations. Let me know in the comments if your transfer was successful.